have a few questions about play up your fashion, dress your success in style. Well, we're going to answer some. So let's get right into the frequently asked questions. What's needed for participating in this virtual style workshop? Well, it's not too many things, but here are the top 3 things you will definitely need: an open mind, a notebook, and pen. But if you prefer to use your computer to take notes, you can do so as well. And lastly, have fun. It's very important to have fun, especially at MIIEN Consultancy. We like to make things very interactive and resonates with our community and clients. So next question, what will I learn in this virtual style workshop? So here are a few things that you will learn. Everyone has a different perspective and just intake of how they learn. So here are a few things that you will learn. Optimizing your fashion choices, how to align your success with your wardrobe, the ability to influence your opportunities, the importance of a cohesive self-image for your success, and more. That is a few, but I'm sure once you go in, you're going to learn. You can definitely browse through our YouTube channel to kind of get a feel of, how Mikara Reid's mind or thinking is and how she goes about things. Next question. Where is the workshop located? It will be virtual, so we will be holding it in the Zoom. A special link will be given to you as soon as you purchase. Next question. What's the date and time for Play Up Your Fashion Style Workshop? So for Dress Your Success in Style, each Play Up Your Fashion will be its own series, which I'll explain later. So Dress Your Success in Style event will be held Thursday, February 27th, 2025 at 6:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Next question. What's the duration of Play Up Your Fashion, Dress Your Success Style workshop? This workshop will be about an hour and a half. It may go a little over depending on how many guests we have. I like to have an engaging type of workshop. So, but we're going to say approximately an hour and a half, definitely. Next question. Can I cancel my ticket? Unfortunately, all sales are final. If you have any questions or concerns before purchasing, you can send an email to us via info@MIIEN, that's MIIEN.co. Please include in the title, Play Up Your Fashion, to make things a lot easier for us. Next question. What are the available payment options? Virtual workshops are paid in full upon checkout, and we accept all major credit cards. Next question. What will I receive when I attend this style workshop? You will receive the PowerPoint from the workshop that was presented by the speaker, Mikara Reid, and digital MIIEN notes. This is a copyright resource containing suggested tips, information, stats, footnotes, and more that is specific to the topic at hand. So in this case, it will be more specific to dressing your success in style. Next question. Who can join this workshop? Anyone who pays for a ticket is welcome to Play Up Your Fashion. This workshop would be ideal and valuable to someone over the age of 25 and more established or beginning to be established in their careers or their profession. It has a digital footprint and a raising visible presence, or they are the face of their business, so that these coachable methods can apply to impact their success and reputation. Next question. Do I need to show my face while the virtual workshop is happening? No, actually you don't. It's not a requirement. It's not a requirement to show your face during the workshop, but if a style question is asked, it would be best to have your camera on so that Mikara Reid can see the item in question to answer accurately and eliminate all assumptions. Still have a question that wasn't answered? Send us an email at info@MIIEN, that's MII.co, with the subject line, Play Up Your Fashion, to get it answered.